Hello everyone. In this video we are going to get greatest value and smallest value without calculation. And these kind of problems are very important in our exam point of view. And for getting the smallest value and greatest value, first we have to look constant term in the modulus. In the modulus there is a constant term you can see over there, that is 10. So first you have to write 10 and you have to get all the factor of 10 like 1, 2, 5 and 10. And now from all this factor you have to choose any two factor, and from them you have to get result as 3 by subtraction. Now you can say why subtraction? Because in your question it's given subtraction symbol, so you have to choose any two factor randomly and you have to subtract that two factor. If you are getting result as 3, then you have to proceed for these two factor. So 5 and 2, if we choose these two factor and their subtraction, we are getting as 3 definitely. And not only this condition, one more condition we have to satisfy, that is their product is giving result as 10 or not. Yes, 5 into 2 definitely 10, 5 minus 2 definitely 3. Don't think sir 2 minus 5 is minus 3. I said just you have to take difference. Don't think like that 2 minus 5 is minus 3. No, just you have to take difference. Difference of these two factor is 3. Product of these two factor is 10. See, that means our result also we are getting, and we are getting our constant term, which one is given in modulus. Okay, so from here easily we can identify our greatest value, that is greatest value is 5, and our least value, that is 2. Okay, then we'll proceed for another problem. Look for this problem again, or constant term. We'll look for constant term 3, so we'll write first 3 and we can find out all the factor 1 and 3. There is only two factor, 1 and 3. Now with these two factor, by subtraction you are getting 2 or not, that one you have to check. Yes, 3 minus 1, we are getting result as 2 we are getting. Now we will find out the product. Definitely we will find out the product and see product also we are getting as 3. That means both condition is satisfied. That means from here also we can identify, sir, our greatest value is 3 and our smallest value or least value we can say 1. Got the points? Now we'll see the another problem, that is 3 number. Now again same here, constant term given 6. So I'll write first 6. And what are the factor of 6? Factor of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now from these all the factor you have to choose any two factor, and by subtraction you have to get the result as 2. Now you choose any two factor. Are you getting 2? You choose any. I am not getting. If you get, you can comment it. So I am not getting. By subtraction we are not getting result as 2. We are not getting result as 2. That means we cannot apply that method, because we are not getting. This condition is not satisfying. So what to do? The method for this, whenever we are not going to get the result by subtraction 2, 3, whatever is given, then our formula is this constant term. This constant term we have to write under root, that is 6 plus 1. Just we have to increase 1, and plus 1 we have to make extra. Plus 1 we have to make extra. So our answer will be root 7 plus 1. This is our greatest value. In the same case we will get least value, that is just conjugate form of root 7, that is minus root 7 plus 1. This is our least value. Whenever we will not get by subtraction and multiplication, the method is this one, under root constant term plus 1, it will be fixed for all the problems. Okay, let's see another problem. 4 number. Z is a complex number such that this, again our constant number is 4. Okay, let us take 4. The factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Now you choose any two number and try to get the result by subtraction 2. Yes, you got here 4 and 2. Sir, you take 4 and 2. Okay, I am taking. By subtraction you are getting result definitely 2. It's true. Now you have to product it. 2 and 4. If we multiply, what is the result? 8. But our constant term is 4. That means this one is not going to satisfy. I said both conditions should be satisfied. One is subtraction, one is multiplication. Subtraction is going to satisfy, but product we are getting result as 8. That means it is also not satisfying our condition. So from here we cannot find identify greatest value 4, smallest value 2. No, we cannot write. So what will be the greatest value? The greatest value will be again the same method, under root 4 plus 1, and plus 1 extra will be there always. I said 4 plus 1. So ultimately our greatest value will be under root 5 plus 1, and our smallest value will be least value, just reciprocal or conjugate form of root 2, that is root minus 5 plus 1. Got the points? I think you got my points. Now question number 4. Let's see this problem. Again constant term is given 2, but see in middle there is positive symbol. Have you noticed this? Yes. So 2, first we'll write 2, factor of 2, that is 1 and 2. Now you try to get what to get? That is by addition you have to find out 2. By addition you have to find out 2. Are you getting 2? No, by addition it's not possible to get 2 as result. That means we cannot apply our previous method. So what to do? The method is again that same method, under root 2 plus 1 plus 1 as it is, plus 1 as it is always. So ultimately our result will be root 3 plus 1. And what will be the least value? Least value will be minus root 3 plus 1. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to get the greatest value and smallest value, all kind of problem I try to take. So if any confusion will come, you can comment it and we'll